plug the NodeMCU board to your PC, and to make it compatible you have to just install a driver according to its chipset, the board's chipset. Mine was CP2102, and click next and agree to that agreement, and boom, this driver got installed. And next you have to just extract the .zip file of Wi-Fi repeater, and you'll get those files. And here goes your firmware, the .bin files, and here goes your flash download tool. Just run it. You got a prompt like developer tool. You have to just select that, and ESP8266 download tool, and next to that you have to just select the .bin files that I've already shown you, and make sure to just copy the name of that .bin files like this, and just paste it next to that file location. We're gonna need only two .bin files, so and you have to just erase that board completely. And before that you have to just select the port, like my port was CUM3 for that board, and the chip is getting erased. Now it finally got completely erased, and now you have to just flash that board with that .bin files. So now you can see the progress bar and your board is getting flashed. And after that you have to just unplug your board from PC and power it up back again. Now you will see a new Wi-Fi name, my AP. You have to just connect to that. Now I have got connected, like you can see, and now you have to just open your browser and type 192.168.4.1 and press enter. And if you just get this prompt, you have to just select continue to the side, and you got the settings to just reconfigure your board. So it's the host's Wi-Fi name, the Wi-Fi from which you are just repeating the internet connection, and this is your settings of your repeater's Wi-Fi SSID or the password, and or even the security. And here you can just log the configuration so that no one can change it in the future, and your board is getting just reconfigured, the settings. And now you can see the host is getting connected with a new receiver, or you can say your repeater. Now you have to just connect to that repeater and just start searching your internet. Thanks for watching, and hope it helps to you. Bye bye.